Hi guys, Kevin here. Today we're diving into the top 5 manufacturing ERP systems you should know about in 2025. Manufacturing keeps evolving year after year, and ERP systems have come a long way right alongside it. Whether you're running a made-to-stock operation, a made-to-order workshop, or you're deep into process manufacturing, there's an ERP out there designed to fit your exact needs. So let's break it all down and help you figure out which system could take your manufacturing business to the next level this year. First off, let's talk about Infor Cloud Suite Industrial. This system, which used to be called Sightline, is a great choice for manufacturers who make products to stock. And these setups, things like production efficiency and predicting demand, are super important. The system's advanced planning and scheduling module, or APS, really shines here. It uses data from past sales, current orders, and supply chain info to help you manage production and inventory properly. It helps you avoid making too much or too little. Plus, you can test what-if scenarios to see how changes in demand might affect your operations. But some users feel the quality management tools could be better. If that's something you really care about, you might also want to check out other options like QAD. Pricing for Infor Cloud Suite usually runs between $1,000 and $5,000 per month, depending on your setup. Next up, Epicor Kinetic. This ERP system is a great choice for made-to-order manufacturers. It helps you create products based on unique customer needs. One of its best features is the product configurator. It's easy to use and lets you customize things like dimensions, finishes, and materials. The system automatically updates pricing, part numbers, and even the bill of materials. This saves a lot of time and reduces manual work between sales and the shop floor. However, Kinetic isn't cheap. Cloud subscriptions usually cost between $4,000 and $20,000 per month. On-premise licenses can go from $50,000 to over $1 million. The price depends on your business size and the modules you use. Now let's talk about SAP S/4HANA. If you work in industries like aerospace, defense, or heavy equipment manufacturing, this system is a great fit. It's perfect for businesses where detailed project management and production need to go hand in hand. The system lets you break down projects into small, manageable tasks. You can stay on top of timelines, dependencies, and costs without missing a thing. It's also easy to track engineering hours, manage design stages, and handle client changes while keeping your budgets in check. Of course, SAP S/4HANA comes with a high price tag. The cloud subscription can cost anywhere from $20,000 to over $100,000 per month. If you go with an on-premise setup, it can cost more than $2 million. But for companies that need advanced project management and complete control, it's often worth the price. Next up, we have DCOM for food and beverage. This ERP is made for industries that have strict compliance requirements. It helps with quality checks during production, tracks lots from start to finish, and automates important documents like certificates of analysis and nutrition labels. You can choose the tools you need with its modular setup, or go for DCOM Essentials if you run a smaller operation and prefer a simpler package. Finally, there's Batchmaster ERP. This one is a great choice for process manufacturers in industries like chemicals or pharmaceuticals. It helps with managing formulas so you can adjust batch sizes, swap ingredients, and calculate costs instantly. You can even test our cost changes during development to see how they might affect your profits. Batchmaster works well with systems like QuickBooks, SAP Business One, or Microsoft Dynamics, so it's pretty flexible even if the interface feels a bit outdated. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 manufacturing ERP systems for 2025. If you want more personalized recommendations or competitive quotes, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.